Hello, and welcome to the Founders Table. I'm Charles Matheson, the founder of the Founders Table. This is the welcome kit that you received in your email. I'm going to go through it so that you know exactly what's in it. So, this page talks about the flow of the event. So, the first 30 minutes will be a meet and eat. During this time, if you have not done so already, you'll need to post your written elevator pitch onto the platform which we use, which is at mopac.online. That's mopac.online. Then from 12:30 to 1 p.m. is the elevator pitch. And during this time, you will be able to make your 2 minute elevator pitch on your product or your service. 1 o'clock to 1:15 is the time when we do the real important stuff. It's like the butter, the blood, the vein, the guts of the event is the focused feedback. And during this time, participants give written feedback to other participants on the mastermind. All feedback is written. We do this so that we can give as much feedback to others as possible. We find that when the feedback is written, that one is more likely to think through what they're writing as opposed to just speaking immediately after the pitch. And we ask that each participant respond to 2 to 3 participants, and then we have the lightning round, and the lightning round is from 1:15 to 1:30. And during this time, participants can share any insights and create intentions for the month upcoming until they come back to the founders table again. So these are suggested times. It can go over. Participants have said that they wouldn't mind staying for 3 hours because of the value that they got from being a part of the mastermind. This document explains what I just said, how the mastermind, how it operates. This page has the feedback tags, the suggested feedback tags for this event. So if you're looking for feedback on the clarity and message, you could select one of these feedback tags, or on the value proposition, you could select one of these feedback tags, and etc. This is the elevator pitch guide, and this is a template to help you write your elevator pitch. This is the feedback guide. And this is a guide to help you with giving feedback to other mastermind participants. Feedback is really the lifeblood of the founders table. So read this document carefully and then use it when you are giving your written feedback. This document is called the Iterator's Guide. And if you have been to an event before at the Founders Table and you need more feedback on your initial idea, elevator pitch, this provides you with instructions on what to do so that you're getting the feedback that you need. And that is the welcome kit that you received. And I look forward to seeing you at an event.